हर सुबह एक नई उम्मीद लाती है जहां उम्मीद हो।
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू करेंट आईक्यू में आप लोग का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट सीरीज ऑफ ऑनलाइनर. It is from 251 and as I told you earlier that we are coming with the last 1 year one-liner from Jan 2024 to May 2025, right? So if you are finding this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe with your family and friends so that your friends will be benefited from this video as well. So without doing any delay, let's begin onliner 251. Tata Group announced India's first semiconductor fabrication plant in Dholera, Gujarat. India celebrated 100th episode of the PM Modi's Mann Ki Baat in April 2024. Chandrayaan 4 mission was officially approved by the government in May 2025. Indian athlete Neeraj Chopra won gold in Asian Games 2024. RBI launched FinTech repository for digital finance service provider. India secured top spot in the ICC T20I ranking in March 2025. The Jal Shakti Ministry launched the Earth Ganga initiative for river-based economy. Ayushman Bharat scheme crossed 600 crore e-cards in 2025. Mission Life campaign launched to encourage sustainable lifestyle in schools. India and Japan collaborated on Hydrogen Valley project in Gujarat. Amul launched India's first milk-based carbonated energy drink. Rajasthan became the first state to implement Right to Health Act. India became the top digital identity user base with 1.5 billion Aadhaar IDs. National Cyber Security Exercise 2024 conducted by CERT in Karnataka topped in India's Innovation Index 2024. India became world's largest producer of genetic medicine. INS Sumitra rescued Indian hostage from Somali pirates in 2024. BCCI announced equal match fees for men and women cricketers. BCCI announced equal match fees for men and women cricketers. India signed a treaty to establish South Asia Semiconductor Council. Agartala became Northeast India's first city with the 24/7 water supply. Indian film The Kerala Story selected for the International Film Festival of India. India's unemployment rate dropped to 6.5% in quarter 1 2025. World Bank approved a $5 million loan to support India's green infrastructure. India completed electrification of all board gang railway tracks. Gujarat launched Namo Lakshmi Yojana for girls education support. ISRO signed agreement with the SpaceX to launch GSAT 24-hour satellite. NTPC launched India's first green hydrogen microgrid project in Andhra Pradesh. National AI portal IndiaAIGovernment.in relaunched with the upgraded features. India's forex reserve hit a record high of $657 billion in April 2025. Mumbai's Trans Harbour Link inaugurated as India's longest sea bridge. India ranked third in Global Renewable Energy Investment Report 2025. Indian Navy's Project 75I submarine cleared for the execution. National Archives launched Azadi Files digital exhibition. Delhi Metro introduced India's first virtual metro card. Chandrayaan 3's lander Vikram confirmed presence of sulfur on Moon's south pole. Women's Premier League 2025 final won by Mumbai Indians. Indian origin Devika Bulchandani appointed CEO of Ogilvy Worldwide. DG claim portal launched for the crop insurance claim by farmers. India approved world's first mRNA vaccine for dengue. Gujarat declared Modhera as India's first solar-powered village. India became world's largest manufacturer of solar module in 2025. Haryana launched India's first drone training university. National Digital University to be launched by end of 2025. Indian Railways introduced Vande Metro in Tier 2 cities. Global Chess League 2024 hosted in Dubai with the Indian team winning title. Reserve Bank launched Digital Rupee pilot for interbank transaction. Arunachal Pradesh Yak Churpi received GI tag. India's literacy rate touched 81.2% in 2025. Indian Coast Guard commissioned vessels Shunidra Prahari for pollution control. India hosted a global Buddhist conference in Nalanda. Tamil Nadu declared traditional games year for 2025. PM Modi launched the Vishwakarma Yojana for a skilled artisan. India's new parliament building inaugurated in June 2024. Chandrayaan 3 mission received a Space Achievement of the Year Award 2025. Chandrayaan 3 mission received a Space Achievement of the Year Award 2025. Sikkim launched India's first bamboo water bottle project. India's fertility rate dropped to 2.0, reaching replacement level. Bharat made phase 3 to connect 6.4 lakh villages with high-speed internet. Air India signed world's largest aircraft deal with Boeing and Airbus. Odisha launched Mukhyamantri Sampurna Pushti Yojana for child nutrition. Kerala became first state with the AI-based traffic enforcement system. Google announced 1,000 crore fund to support Indian startup. IRDAI approved a policy portable for all health insurance holders. India's first Arctic research station to be established in Norway. Uttar Pradesh launched e-pension Adalat for retired government staff. India signed MOU with the UK for green hydrogen corridor. India launched One Vehicle, One Fastag initiative. Manipur Shanghai Festival celebrated globally through virtual reality. India's EV penetration crossed 10% mark in automobile sales. Maharashtra declared 2024 as a skill development year. National Women's Commission launched CEJ Changemaker program. West Bengal's Joy Bangla Pension Scheme won UN Social Welfare Award. Tamil Nadu Nilgiri tea received international GI recognition. Ministry of MSME launched MSME Sarthi app for business monitoring. ISRO to launch Bharatiya Antariksh Station by 2035. Central government approved National Medical Device Policy 2024. Indian Navy conducted bilateral exercise Naseem AI Bahar with Oman. National Education Policy Review Committee formed under K. Kasturi Nayan. Odisha Mogoghara housing scheme benefited over 10 lakh families. India's G20 presidency commemorated with a special 100 point. CSIR developed India's first indigenous anti-venom for snake bite. CSIR developed India's first indigenous anti-venom for snake bite. Indian Railway to become net zero carbon emitter by 2030. Rajasthan's Barmer refinery to be operational by mid-2025. Ministry of Culture launched Heritage 365 campaign. Telangana become top performing state in Digital Governance Index 2025. IIT Madras launched India's first indigenous brain India's defense export touched 25,000 crore in financial year 2024 to 2025. Air India unveiled new logo, the Vista, post merger with the Vistara. Arunachal Pradesh Aptani Textiles received a GI tag in early 2025. Assam launched Mission Bashundhara 3.0 for land record digitization. Maharashtra Lonar Lake proposed for UNESCO heritage status. India's first nuclear-powered submarine INS Arihant completed 10 years of operation. Bharat Electronics Limited developed AI-based drone jamming system. Rajasthan passed bill to ensure social security for gig workers. Gujarat launched Banbandhu Kalyan Yojana for travel welfare. Cochin shipyard launched India's first indigenous green ship. CSIR developed a biodegradable plastic alternative from bamboo pulp. National Archive digitized over 1 crore rare document. Ministry of Defence launched Raksha Gyan Shakti 2.0 for defence IP. Jharkhand launched Adivasi Hunar Haat to promote tribal crafts. Indian Space Research Organization announced Gaganyaan-1 manned mission date for 2025 in India launched its first indigenous 5G core network developed by C-DOT. Uttar Pradesh Ayodhya Airport was renamed Maharshi Valmiki International Airport. Niti Aayog released India's first AI ethics framework in 2025. Haryana became first state to provide 100% drone coverage for land mapping. Indian origin economist Raghu Ram Rajan awarded the Global Economic Visionary Award 2025. RBI launched the Utkarsh 2.0 vision document for 2025 to 2027. Himachal Pradesh became the first Indian state to legalize cannabis for medical use. Goa launched India's first digital breach cleaning campaign. India achieved 100% electrification of railway route in South Central Zone. India became the third largest startup ecosystem globally in 2025. Uttarakhand's Lakshya Sen won gold in Badminton Asia Championship 2024. India approved 76,000 crore semiconductor initiative scheme phase 3. National Green Tribunal ordered a nationwide ban on disposable plastic flag. ISRO PSLV C-64 successfully launched 11 satellites from Sriharikota. India signed MOU with the South Korea for AI and quantum tech cooperation. Prime Minister inaugurated India's largest solar park in Rajasthan, Badhala. UNESCO declared Hoysala Temples of Karnataka as a World Heritage Site. National Maritime Heritage Complex was inaugurated at the Lothal, Gujarat. Election Commission launched remote voting machine for migrant workers. Indian Air Force received first C-295 aircraft under Make in India. National Gallery of Modern Art launched virtual 3D art exhibition. India's GDP growth estimated at 7.2% for financial year 2024 to 2025 by IMF. J&K Tulip Garden broke record with the 3 lakh tourists in one season. Google launched a project Viney to collect Indian language speech data. India developed world first intranasal COVID-19 vaccine. India developed world's first intranasal COVID-19 vaccine. Odisha's Konark Temple Conservation Project won UNESCO award. India signed MOU with the UAE to link UPI with UAE's Anni platform. Ministry of Education launched 100 days reading campaign पढ़े भारत. मध्य प्रदेश लॉन्च एकतम यात्रा फॉर कल्चर यूनिटी. इंडिया बिकम सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ राइस ग्लोबली. First India-Indonesia Defence Dialogue held in Jakarta. Karnataka launched India's first AI-based crop insurance model. Cochin Port Trust renamed as a Cochin Port Authority. India's longest expressway, Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, opened for traffic. INS Vikrant declared fully operational with the fighter integration. Tamil Nadu's Jallikattu event included in intangible cultural heritage. RBI extended UPI Lite feature to offline digital transaction. India launched National Turmeric Board to boost export. Telangana became first Indian state to achieve 100% Har Ghar Jal target. India AI program launched with the 10,000 crore investment in 2025. Indian Army conducted mega joint exercise Shatrujit in Rajasthan. India and Russia resumed rupee ruble trade negotiation. Rajasthan Keldev National Park hosted Asian Water Bird Census 2025. Punjab launched Mera Ghar Mere Naam scheme for property ownership. India's first digital university started in Kerala. Assam launched Project Bharosha for food mitigation. India's merchandise export reached all-time high of $486 billion in 2024 to 2025. DRDO developed India's first solar-powered surveillance drone. India hosted International Renewable Energy Investor Meet in Delhi. Maharashtra Jeevan Yatra scheme launched for the elderly welfare. RBI removed 2000 currency note from active circulation in phased manner. Punjab's Amritsar airport renamed after Guru Ramdas Ji. ISRO successfully launched GSAT-20 with the 5G broadband payload. India secured seat on UN Human Rights Council for 2025 to 2027. National Highway Authority introduced AI cameras for toll-free emergency lanes. India's e-waste recycling capacity crossed 1 million tons. Railway launched India's first solar-powered train coach for local route. Bharat Drone Shakti Expo 2025 held in Ghaziabad. India and USA signed Defence Space Cooperation Agreement. Madhya Pradesh launched Chief Minister Kanya Vivaah Yojana 2.0. Gujarat Dwarka Underwater Museum project approved by Ministry of Tourism. India's Consumer Price Index inflation dropped 4.6% in April 2025. Election Commission introduced e-voting pilot project in select constituencies. Ministry of Health launched Mission Sehat for telemedicine access in remote areas. Ministry of Health launched Mission Sehat for telemedicine access in remote area. India became official member of the International Solar Alliance Executive Board. RBI approved digital banking license to Paytm Payment Bank. Delhi Metro started QR code based ticketing on all lines. Himachal Pradesh launched Har Ghar Pani Har Ghar Safar scheme. India's first Vedic theme park opened in Noida. India signed a 10,000 crore green hydrogen deal with Germany. PM Modi inaugurated Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. Assam Arundoi 2.0 welfare scheme covered over 27 lakh families. Ministry of MSME launched MSME campaign 2.0 for growth acceleration. Rajasthan Desert Festival included in UNESCO Intangible Heritage. India's launch dedicated satellite for forecast. India launched a dedicated satellite for forest monitoring, OneSat-1. Central government set up National Digital Agriculture Mission. National Archive released 100 rare files of Subhash Chandra Bose in digital form. India joined international partnership of hydrogen and fuel. PM Modi announced developed India's 2047 Roadmap in Parliament. Kerala declared 2025 as the year of the digital health. Railway launched world's first hydrogen-powered push-up train. G20 Digital Economy Minister Meeting 2025 held in Bengaluru. Andhra Pradesh launched Yuva Glam Career Guidance App. India signed Indo-Pacific Cyber Security Framework Agreement. Maharashtra launched Lake City project in Nasik. DRDO developed indigenous anti-UAV system Vajra. Jharkhand became first state to launch a travel digital identity card. India's new foreign trade policy extended till March 2026. RBI launched Sachet Portal 2.0 for deposit. A scam alert. Uttarakhand launched Bhagirathi Eco-Tourism Circuit. India achieved full integration of FASTag with National Toll Plaza system. Delhi became first city with a 100% e-bus fleet in city core. Odisha's Chilka Lake declared a Ramsar site of international importance. Odisha's Chilka Lake declared Ramsar site of international importance again. India's CoWIN platform won WHO Global Digital Health Award. Tamil Nadu has started India's first AI-based disease prediction system. India signed a logistic agreement with Australia to boost defense ties. RBI allowed operability of CBDC wallet across bank. Gujarat launched India's first smart water grid in Kutch. Indian Air Force developed indigenous GPS navigation app Value. PM Modi launched Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra from Jharkhand. India launched its first quantum computing-based telecom network in Delhi. PM Modi inaugurated world's largest office building, Surat Diamond Bors. Meghalaya declared living root bridges as a state heritage site. India became the second largest manufacturer of mobile phones globally. First underwater metro in India became operational in Kolkata in 2024. National Health Authority launched Digital Health Incentive Scheme 2.0. UNESCO awarded World Heritage Cuisine Award to Lucknow. UNESCO awarded World Heritage Cuisine Award to Lucknow. India's passport ranked 80th in the Henley Passport Index 2025. Kerala became first state to launch AI schools curriculum. Indian scientist Gagandeep Kang award WHO's Global Health Leader Prize. RBI introduced UPI-based cash deposit facility via ATM. India's first AI supercomputer AirWatt ranked among top 100 globally. Mumbai hosted Global Startup Summit 2025. Telangana declared green budget for financial year 2025 to 2026. India hosted World Coffee Conference 2024 in Bengaluru. PM Modi laid foundation stone for India's first digital science park in Kerala. India's tiger pollution reached 3,500 according to the 2024 census. Arunachal Pradesh launched Mission Shiksha for a school transformation. Niti Aayog launched Declaration Index for Indian state. Tamil Nadu topped Good Governance Index 2025. India and Egypt held first ever joint air exercise Desert Warrior 2025. India and Egypt held first ever joint air exercise Desert Warrior 2025. IRCTC introduced Food on Track app with the multilingual support. IIT Madras became first Indian institute with the camp in Zanzibar, Africa. IIT Madras became the first Indian institute with the campus in Zanzibar, Africa. India won the highest ever medal tally in Asian Para Games 2024. Ministry of Culture launched Project Varshat for digitalizing historical text. Gujarat Gir National Park opened night safari for the first time. India surpassed UK to become fourth largest stock market in the world. ISRO launched Aditya 11 solar mission successfully from Sriharikota. Odisha topped in State Energy Efficiency Index 2025. India's first electric highway corridor inaugurated on Delhi-Jaipur road. Uttar Pradesh launched one district one support scheme. India signed EFTA nation to boost trade and investment. Himachal Pradesh declared Rajiv Gandhi Day as the State Youth Day. India's coal production reached record 1 billion tons in 2024 to 2025. National Commission for Women launched a legal awareness app Shri Suraksha. India launched a national mission on miles. India launched a national mission on millets. Sriana in 2024. BCCI announced WPL 2025 to be held entirely in Delhi and Bengaluru. Ladakh launched eco-tourism circuit in changing region. Punjab government announced a caste census to be conducted in 2025. Indian Railway launched Amrit Bharat station scheme for 550 station. India hosts the 46th Antarctic Treaty Consultative Meeting in Goa. Delhi launched red light on Gadi of 2.0 to combat pollution. Delhi launched red light on Gadi of 2.0 to combat pollution. India's first hydrogen fuel cell ferry launch in Varanasi, Maharashtra. Pune Metro began full operational with a driverless train. India launched Project Surya to reduce LPG usage in rural areas. Sikkim declared 2025 as Year of the Organic Farming Innovation. Indian Oil launched the ethanol blended diesel for trucks and buses. National Skill Development Corporation launched Skills India Digital Portal. Uttarakhand's Joshimath landslide worries led to major urban planning reforms. Supreme Court of India declared that Article 370 abrogation is constitutional. Supreme Court of India declared that Article 370 abrogation is constitutional. So this is the most important 250 onliner for the government exam like bank, SSC, railway. Watch this video again and again if you are in free time. You can put your headphone in your ear and listen this video again and again. It may be possibility after listening 3 or 4 times you will be all the details, all the content will be in your mind, and you will attempt the question in exams very easily. And after attempting the questions in if you are finding most of the question is coming from my content, please share the feedback with me. And if you are liking this video, please like this video and please share with your friends so that most of the people will get benefited from this video. So finally, I would like to say, please, if you are finding this video will be helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe with me, so that I will come with the best and best content video. Thank you.